Hey there, future game makers! Today, we're rolling into some dicey fun with Menu L104's a unique dice game with alphabets. First up, make sure you're hanging out at Menu L104. If you're not sure how to get there, go watch our How to Navigate the Menu video. It'll show you the way. Alright, ready to roll? Just press down on the joystick like you're clicking a button, and boom, your dice game is on. Wanna roll the dice? Easy peasy. Just give that joystick another press and let the dice roll. You'll get a truly random letter every time, so you can have endless fun. Done rolling? To exit the game, just move the joystick to the left, and you are out. And guess what? With our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to make your own awesome activities like this one. For more cool stuff, don't forget to visit our Schogini Toys website. Don't forget to subscribe to our Schogini Toys Instagram and YouTube channels for the latest updates. Have fun rolling, and may luck always be on your side with the perfect letter.